Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a workout friendly makeup look. I've been doing this for ages now. I can't remember when I didn't do it. So I thought that I would pass on my knowledge and show you guys what I do. So I usually only use this makeup look when, you know, I'm working out, but I've got to like run some errands afterwards. It was really good when I was in high school, when I would come home during my study periods and then like have to take off straight as soon as I like finished and whatever. But yeah, I guess there's nothing else really to say about it. Let's just jump right into this video. So something I use religiously is micellar water. It is the quickest, easiest, most handy thing to clean your face ever. And then I'll just go in with about an almond size of moisturizer. I'm really showing you guys like exactly what I do, so get ready. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine video, I'll keep that link down below in case you guys are curious. And now that I've got my moisturizer on, I'll go in with my handy dandy facial oil, if it will like to open. This thing likes to break a lot, so we have a little couple problems with that. So then I'll always go in with some lip balm. You guys probably know if you've watched my other videos, I used to religiously use the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream Lip Balm while I was on Accutane, but now that I'm not, I just use classic purple ointment. I used to hate this stuff. Fun fact, I don't know what it was. I think it was like the smell of it or something. I just hated it, and for some reason I really like it now. Now if you guys do like to have just like a little bit of coverage on your skin, like just to even everything out, I do recommend using like a dermatologically tested and like acne, not acne proof, but like, you know, it won't cause acne. I do recommend using that instead of just like a basic BB cream or CC cream, just so that you know it won't, you know, clog your pores. And so when you guys are doing makeup for like when you're working out and whatever, and you know you're gonna be sweating, you're gonna wanna focus mainly on the features of your face and not on the skin. So you wanna keep the skin as clear as possible to avoid any acne or discoloration or anything of the sort. So yeah, so basically you're gonna wanna focus and put makeup on the lips, the eyes, including eyelashes, and eyebrows. Now I get these little things called Melias or something. I will put it up on the screen, the little description of it, but basically they're like these little clogged pores around the eye area. And because the eyes are a very fair, not fair skinned, but like the skin is very thin there, and you just always need to be very gentle with the products that you put on. When I'm working out, I never put anything of the sort around my eyes, unless I look really dead. Like I'm saying really, really dead. And in that case, I will then go in with a little bit of concealer. We will be doing that today. Also, you're not gonna wanna use any powder. That just clogs your pores and is a big no-no. I feel like this concealer is gonna be too dark for me because, okay, also, look at the color of my neck and the color of my face. I love this for me. It needs to come off my fake tan, that is. It's just gross. So I will always go in. This is one of my favorite brow products. It's by Benefit. It's the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So it's got two sides. It's like the pencil side, and then you got the like spoolie side on the other end. So it's really good as like a to-go thing to have in your handbag or something like that. Now usually, because my eyebrows are quite thick and dense anyway, I will usually just go in with brow gel, just some translucent brow gel, but it's up to you guys. But yeah, so I really like this one by Morphe. It's not translucent anymore, but yeah, so I will just go in with the brow gel. This brow gel really sticks your hairs into place, by the way, guys. Like, it's really intense. Then I'm gonna go in, and I am looking pretty dead today, so we're just gonna do a little bit of concealer. But I am gonna be wary about the amount that I put down, just this is way too dark. Can you tell? Just maybe just like a tad on the tops of my eyes. I like to use a little brush. This is each to everyone's own opinion. I actually never used a brush until I went to beauty school. I thought it was stupid. I was like, why would you do that? But I don't know, I kind of like the effect it gives. So I will always start by brushing out my eyelashes, just to avoid any eyelashes that cross over each other because I don't know why they like to do that, but they just do. So I always brush them out first, and then this is my favorite thing to any makeup routine, curling my eyelashes. I will never leave the house without curling my eyelashes. It's a thing. And then I will usually apply mascara on top of that, but we're not going to because my eyelashes are dyed, so it's just really not necessary. Then I will go in with bronzer. A lot of girls will probably be like, why would you do that? It's gonna clog your pores, because about what I just said about powder. But I just love bronzer. And it's a bad habit that I have, a bad addiction, but it's easily my favorite makeup product ever. So I always just apply some of this. I am very lucky, I don't know if it's an Accutane thing, it definitely probably is, about how I'm not really acne prone, so I'm just only really, I have like combination skin, so I only get oily in like my T-zone, whereas everywhere else is pretty okay. So I will always just apply a little bit of bronzer to give just a little bit more of a fresh-faced look. Also, if you guys get brush hairs on your face from makeup brushes, just get a spoolie, it comes straight off. I'll just apply a little bit of this. That definitely did not help the redness on my nose, but it's chill. But yeah, I guess that's kind of it. Just make sure that you apply makeup to areas that aren't skin, which sounds really stupid, but just like, you know, feature the face, so eyebrows, lips, and eyes. And you guys have a workout friendly makeup routine, I guess. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are plenty of other videos on my channel if you guys would like to check those out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.